ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Nongstoiñ College haga arpasan tarik unay lor arajar arpulay kala rakhe ya ka graduation day bat play pait baru ya ki artali ki building jonga college ki bakentup ya ka commerce building bat ka building jonga girls hostel. Haga ni ka sngi menteri jonga tanat Pule puthi jonga sarkar jala u rakam sangma ulalong ko mu kongsan harengkat ka jingi don lang jong uba HM Shangpliang ubalong unong ai but jonga tanat Pule puthi u Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasi Hills District uba Garrett LSN Dykes, u MLA Burom jonga Nongstoiñ uba dairu u Chairman jonga Governing Body ka College uba Macmillan Bursat, u Dr. LL Mausor ubalong u Secretary jonga Governing Body, ka Principal ka Dr. I Mautho bat kiwe gibala syakot ngobha. U Menteri ulapan ko Burom ya ki saungut ki Samla Pule jonga College ki bala wan syakmat haga examen ki bakentup ya ka Samla iba janai lengdo ka balayo haga kerdan ka basau bat u Samla kos phalan lengkhoi haga kerdan ka bahnreu haga subject zoology u Samla pensyait board thongni balayo haga kerdan ka bahnreu haga chemistry bat ka Samla pen shisha waniang ka balayo ya ka kerdan ka pashipo haga subject political science. La samru ya kijing sakan mau syaki Samla Pule ki bala pendep ya ka graduate haga art stream, science stream, bat commerce stream. Bat kumjo syaki no hikai ki bala laban pendep ya ka kerdan Pule doctorate.
My congratulations to all the graduate friends on behalf of the government, and also at the same time I bring greetings from our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad Kesama and all our cabinet colleagues and the government department, the education department, to all of you, to all our members of this college. I'm extremely privileged to be part of this beautiful and glorious gathering this afternoon. And my best wishes to this college and the governing members and to all my dear students. As in the past, this is my prayer that let this college be continue to shine more and more in the days to come. I'm honored to present the glorious mementos not only to the graduate. I'm deeply honored to have presented the mementos to the governing members, council members, and also the professors those who have completed the PhD degree. My congratulations to all of you. And by listening to the reports of our college principals, and by seeing the testimony of this college, and by seeing the quality of this college, and by seeing the quality of the professors and the faculty members, and by seeing the disciplined students of this college, I'm convinced today that this college will open and will make a very beautiful chapter and a new environment to the central Meghalaya and to this district. I have no doubt today that this college will shine and will be second to nobody on the earth. My prayer and my best wishes to all the professors, to all the lecturers and the governing councils, and to my dear students, friends. Let us stand on our feet with the best talent and the quality that we have. And I'm also happy to be part of this inauguration function of this two college building and the hostel. I believe this college, these new buildings will certainly be the asset for this college, for the state and of the government. And many young friends will be benefited and will be blessed to have this. So I'm from the physics background. I always look at the Newton's third law of motion. If I'm not wrong, maybe in the last 40 years, the journey of this college did not reach the destination where it should have been. in last 5 years before. But if I'm not wrong, in last 5 years, this college has took a journey of tremendous acceleration, momentum journey of this college. I've seen the sanction of the Rusawan, and from the NLCPR, and the sanctioning of 37, if I'm not wrong, 33 more? 43 of the new sanction falls under People's College, grant to this college. But it says, Newton's third law of motion, it says, every action has equal and opposite reaction. We can say, for the past 40 years, you might feel, maybe from the government side, did feel that it had not been given much attention. But it is in the last 5 years, the attention of this government has given to this college is so tremendous, and it is also compensated the last 45 years that did not happen.